Okay, now is the time to actually use it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to declare the GL viewer. I'll forward declare it. Then I actually want to use it. So let's create an instance of it, or a pointer to it, I should say. Now I'll go ahead and switch to the main window. Go ahead and include my GL viewer. Going to initialize my GL viewer. And then, of course, I want to check. I'm going to check to make sure that the GL viewer is initialized so it doesn't crash. And then I'll assign the GL viewer to the grid layout. Okay, so now when I run it, here's my window. I have my triangle, color red, my widget. Nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this series. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and leave any suggestions of future videos you'd like to see. Thank you.